Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate Facebook dating after deleting it. So just go to your menu and then suppose you cannot see the dating feature here in the menu. What you will do is search for dating. Okay, and then just click that and you'll easily be redirected to the dating feature of Facebook. Now, if that doesn't work, go to your settings, go to apps and permissions, go to app manager, and then just wait for it. What you will do is find Facebook and then go to storage and clear cache and clear data. And then try it again on Facebook. So that's it, guys. That's how you reactivate your Facebook dating after deleting it. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.